The process to create playlist on YouTube is quite easy and simple, and it is same for Android as well as iOS devices. Simply open up your YouTube app. Here we go. And once the app is opened, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now at the top right corner you can see your channel icon, so tap on that one. And if you want to switch account, that is you want to switch to some other channel, you can always go and tap on switch account to go to the desired channel. So once you are here, tap on your channel to open up your channel where you want to create the playlist on YouTube. Now if I go to the playlist, so you can see there are two playlists like liked videos and some other. And now if I want to create a new playlist and I want to add some video to this, for example, I want to add this video to the new playlist, what I would do is tap on these three dots, and here it says save to playlist. Tap on this one. It says there are two playlists, but I want to create a new playlist, so tap on new playlist. Title, for example, I say tutorial and set it to public. Public means that all the people on the internet will be able to see that. So you have all these options, so you can choose whatever you want to and tap on create. Once you tap on create, now go to playlist and refresh. You can see new tutorial playlist is added. Now again go to videos. If you want to add some other video to this playlist, again tap on these three dots, tap on save to playlist and select this tutorial thing and tap on done at the bottom. Now it is added to the playlist. If you go to the playlist, you can see tutorial. If you tap on this, here you can see two videos. You can delete by tapping on this delete. You can always go and edit the name and add the description by tapping on this pencil icon. And once you do so, for example, tutorial new, you can always go and tap on the stick icon at the right top to save the changes. So hope by doing so you will be able to create playlist on YouTube. But before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.